Hello! This is Anthony here with Kenny. Yeah, see, right here are our friend ants, and they like to crawl on my feet. See, put the video on me. Look. And you'll see them crawl on my feet. See? You see them crawling on my feet?
They love them.
See, they love me.
There's one on me too. Look it, zoom in.
Okay.
And it just fell. Come on, ants. Off. No more tickles. We're getting used to it now.
Look, can you see the ants? Look, can you see the ants with that? Yo, you can see that good. Yo, here, let me zoom in on my friend ants. This is me, and I'm going to zoom in on my friend ants, and I'm going to show you what's home. This is my friend ants right over here. Hold on, let go. And see, look. All these little critters are healthy. I can give them food. See, look. Right here's an ice cube for them. No, you didn't see on the camera. Actually, right here is an ice cube. And see, look. They eat the ice cubes from here. And now they're trying to get on my feet, as always. And these little critters are all healthy.
There's ladies trying to pass.
And I love ants. And these ants are my family.
Okay. My turn to do something. Anthony!
Okay, get off.